What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. I am Hunter Diamond, and I am on the Flea SMP. And today I am gonna be trapped in the end forever. So if we come back here, there's a little bed right there. So if you do that bed exactly, you press it where it says bed is too far away or something. Okay, where it says that spawn point set, you make sure you don't have anything right here. So I have nothing, no armor. Double check the armor, because sometimes I forget about the armor. But make sure you have nothing in here. Make sure you don't have a lot of levels. I only have 4, so that's why I'm doing this. So if you die, just doing this to show you, if you do that, you will be in the end. So, yeah, I'm stuck in the end. So no matter how I die, okay, I could fall into the void and die. And then no matter what I do, I'm gonna be back in the end. But I'm not necessarily in the den, because I could just do like / warp space all of these, thanks to Green Kid 1. We are on by herself, which I am Creeper. You should go check out his videos. Yeah, I am on with him. So, yeah, do not do this unless you don't have as many levels. So yeah.
I was gonna do this, but I have a bunch of
Creeper was gonna do it with me, but he has like about 26 levels on him. So like you could just die over and over again. You will just getting teleported and teleported and teleported. Yeah. It is really cool, really easy to do. So if you want me to show you how it is done, yeah, let me show you how it's done. So let me do / and portal, which that'll teleport me. I have to stand still. But once that line goes away, it'll teleport me to here. So, if you come back here, this was already here, but I'm just showing it. Okay. If it is like this, it will not work. It will not work. Okay, sorry. Creeper wanted me to do something. So, if you do it like this, I put my stuff, I put the stuff in this chest so it wouldn't despawn or lose it. And I just go into here, and then I get here. I don't go up to there. I did not mean to do that, guys. I did not mean to do that. Okay, anyway. So,
I can push the door.
okay, so
Give me a door. Give me a door.
no.
No, I don't do it.
No. So if you put dirt, Creeper, how dare you? Creeper just hit me into the end. I'm scared. Not really. Just went the other way, he did. Hey, knock it off. I'm gonna get all your levels away. So if you set your spawn like this, set your spawn like that, and then you die, make sure you don't have anything. It's that easy to be trapped in the end, but that was kind of glitchy there. So if I just fall, it would, what? Creeper broke the bed. But anyway, if you are the only one on this server, you can just do / warp wherever, and then you have to stand still. And then you could just do something like that. He has a sword, but whatever. Hey, I'm trying to show my viewers something here, creeper. What?
You did tap the bed.
I don't think I tapped the bed, viewers. This is not working how I wanted it to. What the heck? Don't hit me. Don't hit me, creeper. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. Oh, maybe you can. But then, I could just do this. Hopefully you didn't break the bed. Then I could just do that. And then
I broke a bed, guys.
it just teleports me back into here. No matter how I do it. If you hit shift, it goes faster. I did not know that. Until now. Comment down below if Creeper should do it. With all his levels.
No. No. Please, no.
Just kidding. I won't make him do that.
I saw him.
But yeah, you can just do that.
I saw him military.
But if you do /path, that leads me close to Creeper's house, my house, and Green's house. Green Kid 1's. Also, I am making a arena, so you should go check out.
Go check
When
that
I
out.
finish it, I will post it. I will post me and Green fighting and Creeper. But yeah, I am doing this thing and that
With
thing.
all my levels, guys.
Yeah, he'll do it with all his levels. So all this, I am gonna fill with villagers. As you can see, I got a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. Also, I don't have a dog, but I do have a cat.
Yeah, cause he's born and
Mostly
He
because
doesn't
I
like
haven't
dogs.
found dogs yet.
he doesn't.
I
like
have not
dogs.
found dogs yet. It's not my fault. Oh yeah, I forgot that your cat does that. Your cat lays on you guys.
And he
I
gives you
forgot
a
about
drink.
that.
And he gives you a drink.
And he gives me string. Mostly I did not know he gave me string, but I did know he lay on you. But I did. Okay, so if I did /WARP warp space castle, then you have to stand still. You can move around like this, but you can't like move around like this. But here's more villagers, Green's villagers that he put there. I'm gonna have to take that wheat. But here I am building the arena. So it would be bigger. There would actually be a fighting thing. But I am building an arena right here. So comment down below if you want to see Green, Creeper, and me, Hunter Diamond, 08 fight. If you want to see me and Creeper fight Green Kid 1, then go ahead and check out my video where I do fighting with my new arena. So go ahead and check that out. Also, subscribe to Green Kid 1. Sometime I'll put it in the below. And subscribe to Creeper and subscribe to 180 Gaming Shorts.
Oh shoot.
So go ahead and subscribe to those. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.